Shai Gilgeous-Alexander, Oklahoma City Thunder's star guard, used his playoff break after sweeping the Memphis Grizzlies to spotlight his upcoming Converse Shai 001. The debut sneaker, dropping this fall in the tonal butter colorway, has gained buzz for its bold, unconventional design and SGA's personal creative direction under Nike Incorporated's umbrella. Recently, a fresh charmed black edition surfaced, featuring a sleek zippered upper and modern tooling. Inspired by his mother, Charmaine, the finish reflects elegance, mystery, and confidence, qualities the 26-year-old has also shown throughout his NBA career. On Instagram, SGA described the pair as unapologetic, paying tribute to his mom while broadening the sneaker scene with new energy. Fans can expect the Converse Shai 001 Charm Black to launch October 2 on Converse.com, priced at $130.